So in this video, I want to show you that the relative error of x over y is approximately equal to the relative error of x, take away the relative error of y. So we're going to take a similar kind of route as we did in the previous video. And we're going to start off with looking at the relative error of x, take away the relative error of y. Now the relative error of x is the absolute error of x, which is capital X, the estimated value, take away the exact value, divided by the exact value. So that's the relative error of x. And we're taking away the relative error of y. Now, if we combine these two fractions into one, then by cross multiplication, we can get capital X times lowercase y, take away lowercase x, lowercase y, then take away lowercase x times capital Y, and then take away a negative, so plus lowercase x, lowercase y, over lowercase x, lowercase y. Now here you can see we've got minus xy plus xy, so those terms cancel, and we can simplify that down to capital XY, take away lowercase x, capital Y, over lowercase x, lowercase y. Okay, so we can write it like that. Now there's not much we can do from there. So what we're now going to do is we're going to take a look at the relative error of x over y. So the relative error of x over y would be equal to capital X over capital Y, the estimated value, take away the exact value, so this would be the absolute value, divided by lowercase x over lowercase y, the exact value. So if I combine these two terms in the numerator, so we're going to have cross multiply capital X lowercase y, take away lowercase x capital Y, over uppercase Y lowercase y, all over x over y. So we're dividing by a fraction, so that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So the y's cancel away, and the x, lowercase x, will go into the denominator. So we'll get this. Now, what I'll do is I'm just going to rearrange the two terms in the denominator, sorry, the term in the denominator, to get lowercase x capital Y. So, comparing these two things, okay, these two expressions, you can see that the numerators are precisely the same. The denominators are only different by the y value. So we have the exact value and the estimated y value. So you can see that actually these two are very similar indeed. And so that shows you that the relative error of x over y is approximately equal to the relative error of x take away the relative error of y. These two things are almost the same.